Good evening students. Welcome to Sri Vidya Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about some MCQs about atomic structure. Okay. So these are generally previous MCET questions ma. So see here. So what is the first question here given? Simply the number of radial nodes of 3s and 2p orbitals respectively. So we have to calculate what radial nodes of which orbital, 3s orbital and 2p orbital. So you see here solution. Generally, so number of formula radial nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Okay. So here, so two orbitals given. First one is 3s orbital. So for first 3s orbital, n value is 3. Then s orbital means what? For s orbital, L value is equal to 0. Minus 1. How much? 3 minus 1 is equal how much? 2. Means for 3s orbital, radial nodes is equal to 2. So next orbital what here? 2p orbital. For this, here for 2p orbital n value is how much among 2? Isn't it? For 2p orbital n value is 2 minus. So p orbital means L value minus 1. So then minus 1. Okay. For p orbital L value is 1. So how much? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal how much? 0. Means for 2p orbital number of radial nodes 0. For 3s orbital number of radial nodes is 2. So according to here in given options, which one is correct option? So for 3s orbital 2, for 2p orbital, so what 0? Second option is the correct option. Okay. So next second question, see here, in an atom the order of, so increasing energy of electrons with quantum numbers. Here energy of electrons means generally we have to consider energy of orbitals. Okay, orbitals means s orbital 1s, 2s, 3s, 3p like that. Okay. So here quantum numbers are given, isn't it? So first, for first we can write. So first one n is equal to 4 means 4, L is equal to 1 means p orbital. Means first one 4p orbital, isn't it? Okay. Second one given what? N is equal to 4. 4. L is equal to 0 means what? S orbital. L is equal to 0 means S orbital. Then third one N is equal to 3. 3. L is equal to D. 2 means what? D orbital. Generally for D orbital L is equal to 2. And for fourth one, n is equal to 3 means 3, L is equal to 1 means what? P orbital. So, based on the quantum numbers, we can write the orbitals first of all. So, actually what is the question here you have to understand. So, to write the energy increasing, isn't it? Increasing energy of electrons means increasing energy of orbitals. You have to understand that one. So, according to n plus n value, if we write, okay, which comes first here? For n plus L value means this, for this n, L value is 1, isn't it? For p orbital. So, how much more? 5. So, already according to, so what here? Hubble principle, the orbital with more n plus L value has more energy, isn't it? So, for this to take what here? N plus L value for this 4, S orbital means 0. For this orbital, n plus L value is 4. Okay. For 3d orbital here, n value is 3. D orbital 2. How much here? 5 for this. And here for 3p orbital, 3 plus p orbital 1, 4. See here, these two having same n plus L value. These two having same n plus L value. In such case, what to consider? N value. So means if two orbitals having same n plus L value, in such case to take what here? The orbital with more n value has more energy. Here these both having same now. So but this first orbital contains more n value than this one. So and here these are least 4 4. Okay. Here if we compare these two what here? This 3p orbital having less n value than 4s, isn't it? So that here order. So greater if we take what here? Least. So which one has least energy ma? According to n plus LE or Power principle, this one has least, means fourth one. Okay, least energy. Then what here? 4. Here this got 3, 5 na. So next comes this orbital, second option. Okay. Next one here, first and third having both same na. So but here this has less n value. So that what? This has less energy. So next comes what here? Third one. And last, which one has more energy? 4p orbital. Why? Because this has 5 n plus l value. And if we compare these two, this has more n value. So that this has more energy compared to all these. Okay. So that according to options, which one is correct one, Amma? Third one is correct one. Okay. So first of all, based on these quantum numbers to write orbitals. And then to follow, okay, n plus l value. Here some of the orbitals having same n plus l value. In such case to consider what, Amma? So the orbital with the more n plus n value has more energy. Okay, ma? So this is about some questions. Okay. Okay, ma? So next question is what here? See. So the number of. So what is the question? The number of angular and radial nodes of 4D orbitals respectively are. So we have to calculate what? This is also previous MSET question, ma. So what here? We have to calculate the number of angular nodes and number of radial nodes. See here, for number of, so angular nodes, for calculation of number of angular nodes formula is equal to L. Okay. So next here, number of, then two questions here. We have to calculate angular nodes and radial nodes. Okay. Number of radial nodes is equal formula. So you have to, so remember these two formulas, ma. These two formulas are very important. Number of angular nodes is equal to L. Number of radial nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Okay. So given orbital is what here? 4d orbital. So for d orbital actually, so L value is equal how much? 2. So that here number of angular nodes are 2 and number of radial nodes. So for which orbital? 4d orbital. For 4d orbital, n value is how much? 4 minus L value d orbital is what? 2, isn't it? Minus 1. Here 4 minus 2 minus 1 how much? Minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal how much, Amma? 1 answer. So means what here? 2. Number of angular nodes 2, number of radial nodes 1. So what is the answer here? Check. 1 2 no, 3 0 no. So 3 comma 1 no. So 2 comma 1. So which one is correct answer, ma? So third option. Okay. So this is the first one. And next question, see. Here what? So what is the question? The wavelength in meters of an object of mass 1.0 grams moving with a velocity of 1 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeters per second. So h value also given. Okay. Means you have to think it. What here? This problem is based on de Broglie's equation, isn't it? We have to calculate what here? Wavelength. In which meters? But what are given in a problem? Mass given in grams and velocity also given in which centimeters per second. Okay. So what is the de Broglie's equation, ma? So lambda is equal to h by mv. Okay. So h also given in what here? SI units. But these mass and velocity given in CGS units. So to convert into means what? Mass converts into kg. Why? Because the wavelength you have to calculate in meters. Okay. So means what? Mass. How convert 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. So means here 1 gram given. So to convert into what in problem in grams given now. So to convert this grams into kg. So how here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So per gram is equal how much? So what we get here 1 by 1000 means 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Mass is how much here? 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. And velocity given in what centimeters per second. So 1 into 10 to the power of 4 means simply we can write 10 to the power of 4. In which centimeters per second. To convert into meters, how here 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, isn't it? So 10 to the power of 4 centimeters, how much? So 10 to the power of 4 by 100. So means what we get here 10 to the power of 4. So when this becomes numerator, so what we can write what here 10 square becomes 10 to the power of minus 2. So how much we get here 10 square meters per second. Velocity in meters per second how much 10 square meters per second. Then directly substitute in the formula to get wavelength in meters. Okay. So h value how much 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 31 by mass is how much here 10 to the power of minus 3 kg into V how much 10 square. Okay. Here bases are same, so that to add what here powers. Okay. What we get here 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 31 by minus 3 plus 2 how much minus 1. Okay. When this becomes numerator, so what here minus 3 into plus 2, so square. Okay, so this is minus 34, no? Not 31 here, minus 34. Okay, how much we get here? When this is 10 to the power of minus 1. When this becomes numerator, so 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 to the power of 1, isn't it? Here minus 1 means when it becomes numerator we can write 10 to the power of 1. Again bases are same here. When we add the powers, minus 34 plus 1 is equal to how much we get here? 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 33 meters. So what is the answer here? 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 33 meters. Okay, ma? Which one is the correct option? Fourth one. Okay. So in meters. Okay, ma? So this is about one more question. Okay. Okay, ma. So next question, see the ratio of ground state energy of Li2 plus He plus and H is. Okay. So means in ground state, you have to remember all atoms having energy almost E, but see here for this how we can calculate. So generally for energy, so formula is what here? So for energy, general formula is minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volts per atom, isn't it? Here what the three atoms given? Lithium, helium, hydrogen. So how to calculate here? You have to ratio now. Li2 plus He plus then H. So for Li2 plus energy is what generally minus 13.6. So here ground state means for all ground state. For ground state N value is how much 1. So in the question given what here? Ground state. So for ground state N is equal to how much? 1. Okay. So minus 13.6. In this formula, Z means what? Atomic number. Z indicates atomic number. N is what? Orbit number. Okay. So what here? Z is for lithium. So atomic number of lithium is how much? 3, isn't it? So 3 square by 1 square is for helium. Say minus 13.6. So for helium, atomic number is how much? 2. Means 2 square by, so n square means 1 square. Okay. Is hydrogen. So mine is 13.6. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So 1 square by 1 square. Okay, 13.6, 13.6 cancel in all. So here 1 square is the common. So 3 square means how much? 9. Is to 2 square means what? 4. Is to L1 means 1. So what is the ratio here? 9 is to 4 is to 1. Okay. So means given atoms are what? 3. Lithium, helium, hydrogen. So for this ground state, so in the problem what? Ground state energy given. For ground state, for all atoms, ground state, N is equal to N value is how much? 1. Okay. So lithium formula, energy formula, minus 13.6 ground state, 3 square by 1 square. Why? Because here 3 square, 3 means what? Atomic number of lithium. Minus 13.6 helium atomic number 2. 2 square by 1 square is minus 13.6 1 square by 1 square. Okay, 3 square means 9 is 2 square means 4 is 1. Okay, so which one is the correct option among here? So this one. 9 is 4 is 1. Okay, ma? Next question. Okay, so here next question is which of the following sets of quantum numbers is correct for an electron in 3D orbital? So means what? Electron present in which orbital? 3D orbital. So basically we have to write down what here for 3D orbital generally. So quantum numbers, 4 quantum numbers. Here this indicates what? So 3 means principal quantum number. This is what? D orbital means h-metal quantum number. So means what then? Based on h-metal quantum number to write what? Magnetic quantum number. And S value. So S is what here? Imagine 1 electron is present. Okay. So 1 electron means what here? S should be plus 1 by 2. For 2 electrons, S value is minus 1 by 2. You have to remember. For 1 electron, for single electron, S is equal to what? Plus 1 by 2. So to write generally, so for this 3D one, N is equal 3. Okay. L means D orbital means L is equal 2. So M is equal what here? Minus 2. Minus 1. So means minus 2. Okay. Only 1 electron is present now. So minus 2. Then S is equal what here? Plus 1 by 2. Okay. These are the 4 quantum numbers for 3D. Means what is the given in a question? An electron. Means 1 electron. Means 3D 1. So to write 4 quantum numbers for what? 3D 1 orbital. Means this indicates what? Principal quantum number. So N is equal how much? 3. Then orbital, based on the orbital given to write the L value. So generally for d orbital L value is 2. Then M is equal what when L is equal 2 and M is equal minus 2. How much? See here. How many d orbitals are there? 5. This is the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So electron present in here. So when L is equal to, M values are possible what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Isn't it? So we can write minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Means electron present in which orbital here? Minus 2. So that here M is equal to minus 2 and S is equal plus 1 by 2. Why here? Only 1 electron is present in this, isn't it? So that S is equal plus 1 by 2. Okay. For example, if 2 electrons are present like this, so S1 should be what? Minus 1 by 2. But here an electron given, 1 electron. So that S is equal what? Plus 1 by 2. So then to check the what here options given. Here first N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. So in all you have to observe, in all given what here generally L is equal to 2. So M value here minus 3 plus 3 here minus 2, here minus 3. Actually maximum value is up to plus 2 only, not exceeds plus 2. Na? So that what, which one is correct option here? This one. N is equal 3, L is equal to, M is equal minus 2, S is equal plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is about what, some more questions. Okay, Amma. So next question, see here. An iron ball has mass of 35 grams and a speed of 50 meters per second. If the speed can be measured with an accuracy of 2%, okay, then the uncertainty in the position. So means to calculate, so from this you have to understand, so to calculate what uncertainty in the position. So generally uncertainty means you have to think it. So we have to idea what. So this problem is based on Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, isn't it? So to use what Heisenberg uncertainty formula. So what is it formula? So delta x into, so delta v. Here what? The problem speed given. Speed velocity is same. Okay. So is equal to h by 4 pi m. This is the formula to use. Delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi m. So means in SI units what here? H value. So means what? Meters means SI unit. So to take H value when speed or what position. So what given in meters. So to take H value in what? 625 or 626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into seconds. Okay. Then 4 pi is the what here? So pi is the constant. Pi value is how much? 3.14. Okay. So then to require one more term. What is that here? M. So M given in a problem. How much? 35 grams. So when we take H value in joules into second. So then to convert mass to take in which kg. Means to convert grams into kg. So what is the formula conversion here? So 1 gram, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So for 35 grams, how much? So what is the answer here? 35 by 1000. 35 by 1000 means 35 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay, mass is how much in kg? 35 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay. So next one what here? So we have to calculate uncertainty in position. This value. Okay. So then in here what is given? If the speed can be measured with an accuracy of 2%. Okay, actual speed is what? 50 meters per second. But in accuracy 2% means here. So delta V becomes here. How to calculate generally? For 100% 50 meters per second. So for 2% how much here? Uncertainty in the what speed? What we get here? 2 into 50 by 100. Okay, 50. Okay, delta V is equal how much we get here? 1 meters per second. Uncertainty in the, so you are given in a what here? For 100. Okay, my delta V means uncertainty in the what here? Speed given accuracy means 2%. Means 2 by 100 is equal what here? 0.02 meters per second. Okay, so then to substitute. So here what we have to calculate delta x. So that the same formula to write in the form of delta x is equal to, so h by 4 pi m delta v. H by 4 pi m delta v. So to substitute directly, h is how much here? 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 4 into pi value is how much? 3.14 into mass how much here? 35 into 10 to the power of minus 3 means we can write 0.035. Okay, into, so delta V how much? 0.02. So you have to calculate, amma. So calculation part easy, not so difficult one. Okay, this is just calculation. Okay, see here 6.6 here points. If you write points here, how much to get here? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means 10 to the power of here 6 zeros means here 3 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 find 7 zeros. Oh, okay, here down point 3 digits means 3 zeros. 3 cancel. Here 3 is 3 cancel. So how many are remaining here? 3 zeros. Okay, so means 4 zeros total. 4 zeros means what? Into the power of 4. Okay, so means here minus 34 means minus 30. So calculate ma. So after calculation, simply to get here 2's are 2 1's are 2 3's are 2 3's are 2 1's are 2's are 2 3's. Okay, like that. So finally to get here, check it 1.507. Okay, after calculation you will get 1.507 into 10 to the power of minus 33 meters. Okay, ma. So this is about what some questions, some previous MSET questions about atomic structure completed. Okay, ma. So these models are enough. Okay. So based on what here, Rydberg's equation important, energy equation, radius of an orbit, okay, quantum numbers, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, de Broglie's equation. So these formulas are important for MSET of atomic structure. Okay, ma. So please like, share and subscribe to Sri Vidya Tutorials. Okay, amma. So thank you.